Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge the watch, and enable Bluetooth on your phone so the radios can find each other. Open the watch's music or companion app now. This is where pairing is initiated. Once done, keep the watch within 3 meters of the phone and turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices to reduce interference. Make sure any required permissions, like contacts or location, are granted, because the phone needs those to discover and authorize the watch. Next, look for the watch in your phone's Bluetooth list and tap to pair, confirm the PIN or accept the pairing prompt when it appears. Once paired, open your phone's music app and choose the watch as the playback device or download target. If your watch supports local storage, enable offline downloads and select playlists to sync. This prevents buffering and saves battery. Make sure sync completes before moving away, because interrupted transfers can corrupt files. Now test playback. Start a track from the watch, then control volume and skipping to confirm remote control works. If you downloaded music, play offline directly from the watch to verify files are present. If audio routes to the phone instead, open the Bluetooth audio menu and select the watch as output. If problems persist, reboot both devices, remove and repair the watch, and check app permissions and available storage. That usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.